all of you are welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Math Success Point, and you are getting the benefits, a lot of benefits from this channel, Math Success Point, on the YouTube, and I am posting the different types of videos of different topics for your welfare. I do hope that definitely you will like my video and you will share my videos to your friends, and you will subscribe my channel, press the icon so that my each and every video will reach to you as early as possible and you will be benefited. Okay, let me take the very important topic, projection of a vector on a line. Students generally feel difficulties in the projection. That is why I am telling projection, or what is called your position vector of the different points. Okay, that is why you see how you can find out the projection of the vector. Okay, let me take suppose I am taking, this is a line L. On this line you will have to see I am taking point A and this is point B. This is a vector, and this vector suppose I am going to denote it by A. I am drawing a perpendicular, that is suppose M. This is 90 degree, and what is this? This is point B. Okay, and this is vector, this is point A. Okay, and this will be angle theta. Angle theta is this one. Okay, see what will be the projection of the vector AB, projection of vector AB on the line L. Here this is A, and I will take in the direction of L. In the direction of L, I will take the vector B. The projection will be, that will be AM. AM, I am going to write AM simply without the vector symbol. This is the projection. This is a projection only. Projection of vector AB on line, directed line L. This is the projection. Okay, and how you can find out its value? Suppose let me take cos theta. Cos theta will be what? AM upon AB vector. AB. In the triangle, I have taken without the vector symbol, that is side of this triangle. Okay, AM upon AB, and what will be AM? You tell me. AM will be equal to AB cos theta. AM will be equal to AB cos theta. That is why this is AM. AM, it will be equal to AB cos theta. Simply I will tell you, you can find out the projection of a vector over the other vector by using the unit vector also. Okay, but I am telling you the simple thing. What will be the value of AB now? How you can write vector AB? Its magnitude will be AB. Okay, magnitude of vector AB, it will be equal to AB, or vector AB, that is to be denoted by vector A. Okay, you can write like that also. Magnitude of vector AB, magnitude of vector AB. In place of AB vector, you can write vector A, magnitude of vector A. Okay, but by the definition of dot product of two vectors, by the definition of dot product of two vectors. Dot product of two vectors. This definition I am going to use, my dear student, will be equal to magnitude of cos theta. That will be cos theta. And what will be the value of cos theta? This thing you must have to keep in mind. Cos theta. Cos theta will be equal to dot product of these two vectors divided by magnitude of A and magnitude of B. This is the definition. What definition of dot product? Means scalar product of two vectors. You see, vector A and vector B. Angle is theta. That is why you can use this definition. Okay, let me take, because AM, that is projection. AM will be equal to what? I just told you, we are just proceeding vector A cos theta. What will be the value of cos theta, my dear student? This thing, cos theta will be dot product of two vectors upon its magnitude vector A and magnitude of vector B. Very important thing we are discussing, magnitude of A will be considered of magnitude of A, then dot product of A and B divided by dot product of, means divided by the magnitude of b. Clearly, I am just going to write it clearly so that it will be visible to you. This thing. That is why this is AM. What does it mean of AM? AM, I told you, this is the projection. This is the projection. Let me write projection of scalar projection. If you want to write scalar projection, this is a scalar projection. Sometimes it may be asked in the competition. Projection of vector A on vector B. It will be equal to what? Dot product of both the vectors divided by on B, magnitude of B vector. This formula you can use and you can find out the solution of the different questions on depend upon it. My dear student, I will tell you the question also related with this one, this thing. This formula you must have to keep in mind. I think each and every point related with the projection I have told you, I discussed with you. Let me take the question. Same formula I am just going to use. What is that formula? Question. Find the projection. My dear student, you see the question, find the projection. Find the projection of vector. Vector A I am just going to write 7i and plus j. These are the unit vectors minus 4k on the vector B. What is the vector B? You see 2i plus 6j and plus 3k. You see, find the projection using the formula. You must have to see dot product of these two vectors. Before I told you, you can find out the dot product of two vectors. It will be directly, if you want to find out, 7i plus j minus 4k. देखिए मैं इसलिए लिख रहा हूं so that it will be fixed in your mind. नहीं तो डायरेक्ट आप निकाल सकते हैं इसको. जब अच्छी प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी, you can find out. Only corresponding components you will have to multiply. 7 into 2. Because I dot I 1 हो जाएगा. 7 into 2. Okay? Plus 1 into 6. 1 into 6 भी कर सकते हैं हम. ठीक है? 1 into 6. और फिर नेक्स्ट नेगेटिव साइन में यहीं ले लेता हूं 4 into 3. Because k dot k that will be 1. It will be equal to 14 plus 6 minus 12. Okay? It will be 8. My dear student, the projection of vector A on B, this will be what? If their dot product will be this one. But using, let me write projection, because magnitude of B will be required. Let me find out first magnitude और निकाल लेते हैं भाई. चलिए 2 square plus 6 square और plus 3 square. ये मैं बता चुका magnitude how you can find out. Square of I coefficient, square of j coefficient plus square of k coefficient. It will be equal to, you see, 4 plus 36 plus 9. It will be equal to, my dear student, 49. Or 49 means 7. That is the magnitude of B vector. Okay? Projection. Let me write projection formula. जो अभी मैंने बताया, projection of vector A on vector B. Very simple. Dot product of both the vectors divided by magnitude of vector B. It will be equal to dot product कितना आया था भाई अभी 8 और ये कितना आ गया 7. 8 by 7, that is the projection of vector A on vector B. Vector A मैंने अभी आपको ये बताया है. आप चाहें तो इसमें आप बना सकते हैं A B. That is vector A और that is vector B. और ये डायरेक्टली लाइन L. It is थीटा. थीटा है यहाँ पर ए बी की वैल्यू दी हुई है. प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ ए दैट इज मैंने अभी बताया था आप लोगों को AM. AM इज द प्रोजेक्शन दैट विल बी AM. Like that you can find out projection of the vector A on B. My dear student, I told you the very important thing as well as the related question. I think you will practice properly so that some additional question you will have to practice so that you will be perfect in this topic. Okay, thank you to all of you.